Welcome! In previous videos we showed how the origin can be exposed in Revit. We're looking with model lines. I'm going to go into level 1. To begin with, we're going to talk in this video about grid lines and grid systems. And as we look at grid systems in Revit, we're going to use the grid line tool and draw a line from the project-based origin to the east. I'm going to escape twice, and I'm going to extend the line the other direction, and I'm going to draw another grid line in the north direction. This would be the same in any design authoring building information modeling tool. For this example, I'm simply going to call this grid going along the origin with 3 X's, and this one and the northing I'm going to use 3 Y's. This is defining the Cartesian plane from the base point of the internal project origin of Revit. We have model lines from previous work that define where that is. And this is how we would like to begin all projects. As we look at the steel structure for this training curriculum, we're going to begin defining the grid lines at this next stage. There is a grid line running plan east-west, which is grid line A, and there is an opposing grid line at the southwest corner of this structure, which is grid line 1. What I'm going to do is in Revit set these two grid lines at a location of 100 feet by 100 feet, and we're going to build the project grids from there. The purpose of this is you do not want the grid coordinate system to be easy to understand. You want to go beyond that. You want to make it hard to confuse. And simply by setting all of your structural geometry in a positive coordinate system with an origin well defined, it will make it much easier for collaboration with other trades, regardless of where they have coordinated their information. This is a simple documentation of where the structural geometry is relative to its origin points. What I'm going to do in here is place in some dimensions, adjust, and for this aspect of, I'm going to delete out some of this geometry. I'm going to leave in the coordinate location. I'm removing these. I'm going to simply have these where they don't show. And in adjusting the grid system, this is the exact image that we would provide in a memo to whoever we are collaborating with that clearly defines the project origins. From this point, we will finish building out the grid system that will be used for the steel structure on this project. We will also begin filling in the levels and showing how we would export this steel structure out for steel fabrication detailing. Thank you for your time.